on this episode of Doorbell News.
Why would you steal it?
I thought it was empty and I just didn't.
You thought you just wanted an empty box and it was taped shut? And then you opened it? Because you knew it wasn't empty when you got inside, right?
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Torrance, California. This group of pirates are driving around in an exotic vehicle stealing catalytic converters. Catalytic converter theft has blown up since the pandemic, and over 54,000 cases were reported last year compared to only 1,300 cases in 2018. The catalytic converter has precious metal inside of it, which the thieves sell to scrap metal yards for big profits. A used catalytic converter can yield the thief upwards of $500 to $800, and as you can see, they only take about a minute to steal. Thieves use portable hand saws to cut through the muffler's metal. If a thief stole 10 of these in a day, they could easily make upwards of $5,000 in one day, and it would only take them about 10 minutes of actual work to make that kind of money. And that's why these guys are riding around in a Lamborghini. This video is proof of how profitable these catalytic converter thefts have become for thieves, and a warning to keep your car in the garage if possible. Torrance police are now asking the public to help with this case. Las Vegas, Nevada. Hey buddy, you're at the wrong house. It's 4:30 in the morning. This guy seems to not know where he's at. Maybe he thinks he's at home. Lakewood, Washington. 3 guys come to see their friend at an apartment complex. One of them decides to steal the neighbor's package. He's gonna pay the price for this. Phoenix, Arizona. Check these guys out. They come and take everything. Looks like they're getting ready for Christmas.
No, you don't want that. You don't want that.
Phoenix, Arizona. A lady named Melinda is seen in someone's house, burglarizing it. Yeah, we see you, Melinda. She doesn't even notice the camera. They probably got a cam masker. Tucson, Arizona. This guy's nuts.
Hey, motherfucker, your dogs are barking on here again, motherfucker! Keep your dogs to yourself, motherfucker!
The homeowner doesn't even have any dogs. This guy's nuts.
You heard me? What? Try your goddamn dogs!
What?
You almost bit me!
Tucson, Arizona.
What can I help you with?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, I'm sorry to bother you this early in the morning. I'm really sick, and I've thrown up and I've crapped all over myself, and I was wondering if I could borrow get a pair of clothes.
I can't do that. No, I'm sorry.
Just a pair of pants, and I'll walk to the front, and you could leave them out here on the front.
No, I'm sorry. Thank you.
I'm covered in feces. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm sorry too. Try someone else, please.
You think I want to pass you something and touch your VC hands? Get lost! El Cajon, California. This guy comes by and pokes Santa, an inflatable Santa, and runs off. I mean, some guys just want to be Grinches. Get lost! I mean, this is a grown man. He obviously has a car. I mean, this is so childish. Sounds like someone stole his catalytic converter. Seattle, Washington. This creep is walking around someone's house. Look what he has in his hand. Yeah, spooky stuff. Better stay inside that house. I don't know what this guy's planning to do with that, but he definitely needs to get lost. Tacoma, Washington. Yeah, these Grinches are out, so be on high alert. Better hide those boxes or take them in once you see them get delivered, because these guys are on the prowl. Hey, good luck with that dog food, by the way, buddy. Meanwhile, in Las Vegas, this guy's still trying to get in this house, but it's clearly not his home. Yeah, it's 4:30 in the morning. You're inside sleep. Yeah, be safe.
That's why, right? I watched the video. I know you did. But that's why I was annoyed with him to continue to lie with me. I told him there's a video. He's failing the dumbass test and not, hey, I'm giving you a free pass. I'm telling you there's a video.
Yeah, he got busted. Let's see what happens.
Why would you steal it?
I thought it was empty and I just didn't.
You thought you just wanted an empty box and it was taped shut? And then you opened it? Because you knew it wasn't empty when you got inside, right?
Yeah, I grabbed it.
Don't steal shit. That's a shitty thing to do.
Yeah.
You want somebody to come steal your shit? Right? Is it funny? Okay. So I'll give you one free pass. You did lie to me, so you're kind of on my shit list. Right? I told you there was a video. I told you it could be nothing. You still wanted to be dumb and lie about it. So I don't even want you to talk to her because I'm sure they're going to tell you to fuck off because it's a messed up thing to say. And it don't mean shit to say, I thought it was empty. That's just another lie. You knew it wasn't empty because it was taped shut. You then had to open it, right? Even if you thought it was empty, you got inside. That's what I'm calling bullshit. And then you opened it. Cool. Go inside. You guys can handle this.
Thank you.
Yep.
Go and talk to him.
Yes, please.
We give him advice.
Yeah. You can keep laughing. I will take you to jail for it.
Sure, man.
Okay.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.